Here at home, Congressman Joe Heck, who represents a big chunk of southern Nevada, visited a school in his district today. He spent about 20 minutes answering students' questions about health care, gun control, legalizing marijuana. News 3's Elizabeth Donatelli brings us that story.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm Joe Heck. I'm the congressman for this district.
Congressman Joe Heck spent part of the afternoon at Coral Academy of Science speaking to seniors and AP U.S. history students.
I have 3 children, was concerned about what their future was going to be, and thought that I could either sit at home and scream at the television or go to Washington and try to make a difference.
The first question was about health care reform. As a doctor himself, Heck says he agrees with some of the patient protections, but
people who had insurance are now losing their insurance. So, and the number of people gaining insurance is actually less than the people losing it. So the goal was to get more people insured, and right now we're actually winding up with more people uninsured.
2 students asked about gun control, one specifically asking about preventing another Newtown, Connecticut school shooting.
How would you increase background checks to the degree where they could spot these types of people?
The first step, I think, is looking at making sure that we have enough mental health services to identify those who need help and try to get them help before they get to the point of wanting to get a gun.
Students also asked about mandating HPV vaccines, conflicts in the Middle East, and, as you might expect,
I don't have an issue with medical marijuana use if there is a valid prescription written for a valid purpose. Okay. But as a physician, I still have some concerns about legalized recreational marijuana.
We were hoping to ask some questions of our own either before or after the talk, but the congressman declined our request for an interview. At Coral Academy, Elizabeth Donatelli, News 3.